Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, in my case camera. Following that, tap on one of your apps like Messages and tap on the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to set up don't allow, so when I do that, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. Then click on the back button. As you can see, after that, Messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always select any app and tap on See All Permissions at the bottom instead. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!